What's up, everybody? This is Ohio. Damn. What happened? You know what happened?
Thank you very much.
You don't know what happened? Was it a wreck or?
Well, apparently there was a wreck, and then some sort of altercation went down. There's a big party.
Black guy killed a Mexican in that vehicle. He got out, took off running. Here, I'll show you another video.
What, from this?
Yeah.
Wow.
My son's buddy was down here in the drive-thru. It's only a 5-second video, but this is the pregnant woman.
That white vehicle right there?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I was wondering
somebody
about
killed
why
him?
Yeah, that's
he's right here.
Yeah.
The guy that dies right there?
Yeah, there's...
Across the street.
Holy
It's a little
shit.
blurry. Move it a little. We'll get a little better. Shit. Move it. But that's a cop kneeling over the dead guy.
Oh, wow.
There's the pregnant woman. The guy ran up and shot her hood for some reason.
Wow.
She was on that side.
Just out of the
Actually,
blue?
vehicle's still there.
Wow.
They shot out.
Well, I'm going to walk all the way up here to this tape here. They hate my guts, man. So, you heard that, guy. What? Fucking yell at me. Do something then. Do it. Do it. Put me in jail, motherfucker.
Get back that way.
Don't yell at me.
I
Got
will
it?
yell at you.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
I'm behind the fucking tape.
You're going to stay further back
I'm
that
behind
way.
the tape.
That's fine. Get some more
You know
tape.
the tape's right there. You want to cut it off, cut it
You're
off.
gonna
Don't
stay
fucking
back
yell
here.
at me. You don't know who the fuck I am.
I don't care who the fuck you are.
Well, you will.
No, I won't.
Yeah, you will.
No, I won't.
Don't fucking yell at me, servant.
How about this? We'll just take you over here.
You do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Don't touch my fucking phone. First Amendment violation.
It's not a First Amendment.
Yeah, it is.
See,
I'm not resisting you.
you are resisting.
I am. How am I
Now,
resisting?
listen. You need